Do you know that the first drink you consume in the morning can have a profound effect on your blood sugar levels throughout the day? Today, we unveil the top 5 best morning drinks for diabetics that not only help regulate blood sugar levels but also offer numerous health benefits. The importance of this selection cannot be overstated, especially if you are among the millions worldwide trying to manage diabetes. However, there is a catch. While these drinks bring numerous benefits, they come with some considerations. The acidity levels that can challenge your tooth enamel, the importance of no added sugars, and the ideal quantity to maximize benefits without overconsumption. Remember, it's not just about what you drink but also how you drink it. If this piques your curiosity and you're looking to optimize your mornings for better health, don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, we have a special gift for those who stay with us until the end, 2 amazing free gifts designed to give you an extra edge on your diabetes management journey. Ready to make the most informed choices for your health? Let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is water with lemon. Beginning your day with a glass of water infused with fresh lemon juice could be one of the healthiest decisions, especially if you're mindful of your blood sugar levels. But what makes lemon so special? To uncover its secrets, let's delve into its benefits and the science backing them up. Lemons are not only a refreshing source of flavor but are packed with vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant combats oxidative stress linked with diabetes complications. Furthermore, the role of vitamin C doesn't end there. Research shows that it plays a crucial role in improving glycemic control and increasing insulin sensitivity in type 2 diabetes patients. But lemons aren't just about vitamin C, they are rich in flavonoids, known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. A significant study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Diabetes Research revealed that individuals who consumed lemon water before a carbohydrate-rich meal experienced an approximately 24% reduction in post-meal blood sugar levels. These findings highlight the importance of how lemon water can help manage post-meal blood sugar responses, especially after carb-heavy meals. The mechanism behind this is that lemon water raises the pH level in the stomach, slowing down the rapid digestion of starch. Besides glycemic control, lemons contain bioactive compounds that support fat reduction. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight is critical for diabetics to minimize complications. Lemon's flavonoids enhance metabolism and increase the body's fat-burning processes. Combining lemon properties with water results in a drink that helps reduce excess sugar in the blood and promotes a feeling of fullness. The result is better hydration and potential reduction in overall calorie intake. Boosting immunity is another addition to lemon's benefits. They strengthen the body's defense system, ensuring optimal performance against infections and illnesses. For zest enthusiasts, incorporating lemon peel into your meals is a wise choice. It not only adds flavor but is rich in nutrients that can protect your arteries from damage in the long-term diabetes battle. While lemon water offers a pantheon of health benefits, its acidic nature should not be ignored. The natural acidity of lemons, if not consumed properly, can challenge tooth enamel. To protect your teeth, consider the following measures. Drink lemon water through a straw to minimize direct contact with your teeth. Rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking to reduce acidity. Wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth after consuming acidic beverages, as brushing immediately can cause further enamel damage. Number 4 on our list is the robust and aromatic black coffee. For many, the day only starts after enjoying their morning coffee. But did you know that this beloved beverage, when consumed without sugar and cream, can offer real health benefits for blood sugar levels? Let's dive into the intricacies of this deep elixir and the scientific validation behind it. Coffee beans, the source of your morning brew, are rich in antioxidants, particularly chlorogenic acid. This compound not only fights oxidative stress but also improves glucose metabolism. Studies suggest that chlorogenic acid can influence glucose production in the liver, potentially reducing post-meal blood sugar spikes. Black coffee also contains magnesium, a mineral known to improve insulin sensitivity. Higher magnesium intake can pave the way for better blood sugar control, making your morning coffee a potential ally against type 2 diabetes. For most diabetics, consuming 3 to 4 cups of coffee daily is generally appropriate, though it depends on your personal sensitivity and response to caffeine. Monitoring your blood sugar levels and consulting a healthcare professional is crucial. However, along with its benefits, there are some precautionary notes. Black coffee is acidic, similar to lemon water. Consistent consumption without proper dental care can challenge tooth enamel. Additionally, individuals sensitive to caffeine may experience jitters or sleep disturbances. Number 3 on our diabetes care list is the refreshing chia seed water. Starting your day with this nutrient-rich beverage, especially designed for those mindful of their blood sugar levels, could be a perfect choice. Chia seed water could be the best way to start your morning. Chia seeds are naturally a fantastic source of dietary fiber. The soluble fiber they contain forms a gel-like consistency in water, creating a natural barrier in the stomach, moderating sugar absorption, and leading to a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. For diabetics, this means smoothing out post-meal blood sugar levels and reducing sharp spikes. Chia seeds are also rich in magnesium and calcium. Magnesium helps improve insulin function, while calcium is essential for strong bones, especially since diabetics can face bone density issues. Drinking chia seed water in the morning can lay the foundation for controlling hunger throughout the day. The gel-like consistency promotes a feeling of fullness, which can be a game-changer for weight management for diabetics. Typically, consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds mixed in a glass of water in the morning is appropriate for diabetics. This amount provides benefits without overconsumption, as it's essential to balance it with your daily dietary needs. Now let's enter our next best drink, ranking second among the best morning drinks for diabetes, which is water mixed with apple cider vinegar. Its benefits might surprise you. Let's understand the magical properties of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been used as an ancient remedy in various cultures. In modern times, its role in diabetes management is particularly intriguing. A significant study found that individuals who consumed 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed in water with their breakfast experienced a 5 to 7% reduction in post-meal blood sugar levels. These results indicate that drinking apple cider vinegar in the morning can help stabilize blood sugar levels. How does this happen? Its primary active ingredient, acetic acid, interferes with enzymes that break down starch, thus moderating the rate of sugar absorption and release. For flavor, you can add natural sweetener or fresh lemon juice. When apple cider vinegar is incorporated into a diabetic's morning routine, it's generally appropriate to consume 1 to 2 tablespoons mixed in a large glass of water. This provides the benefits without excessive acidity. However, always consider its acidic nature and take appropriate precautions to protect your teeth. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, number 1 is green tea. Why is it hailed as the best morning drink for diabetics? Let's explore its numerous benefits. The powerful antioxidants in green tea, particularly catechins, help enhance insulin sensitivity. This helps keep blood sugar levels stable. A comprehensive study proved that individuals who drank 6 or more cups of green tea daily had a 33% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption of green tea in diabetics improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar levels. The amino acid L-theanine in green tea enhances mental focus, which is important for diabetics. Drinking green tea in the morning can be an excellent choice for diabetics. Despite its benefits, it's important to monitor caffeine intake. For diabetics, consuming 1 to 2 cups of green tea in the morning is generally appropriate. Choose good quality tea leaves to maximize benefits. Green tea tops our list of the best morning drinks for diabetics. Its glycemic benefits, weight management properties, and ability to enhance mental focus make it an essential morning beverage. If you selected green tea as the best morning drink, you're absolutely right. Embrace green tea and start your day healthily. If you learned something new from this video, like it and don't forget to subscribe. We have 2 amazing free gifts for you in the description box below. Stay healthy and manage your blood sugar levels better.